Well, I bought this safe the other day off a marketplace, and the guy didn't know the code to get in it. He had bought it a few years earlier and never got around to getting a locksmith to open it. So was losing his storage, so he put it on marketplace, and I got it. So what I did, first you pull this off, and I drilled a hole right there. Just drilled 1/2 inch hole, and what was on the inside was this little solenoid here, and I happened to drill a hole right through the solenoid. So I was lucky in getting the solenoid out, and it opened right up. It's a pretty chintzy lock system on here. I contacted Canon about a solenoid, but what I might do is I've had done on other safes is I put a garage deadbolt here, and then on the front I put a Medeco key lock. So that's possibly what I'm going to do with this. Well, I picked up a Medeco rim cylinder for the safe. I made a housing for it. I had a piece of 5-inch diameter brass. It was left over from a job I did. I just finished polishing it up in here. And I'm ready to mount the cylinder, and it's ready to go on the safe. Okay, I got the cylinder mounted in the housing. It's a rim cylinder. It'll go on the outside of the safe. And then it'll go into a garage door deadbolt. Coming right along. Well, I got the locking mechanism completed on the safe. I got a Medeco key lock. And it goes into this garage door deadbolt. Now there's 3 3/8 stainless steel bolts that go through and are tapped into that piece of brass. And as you can hold this open, do what you want to do, or you can keep it so that it locks. So yesterday I had to bring this down in the basement, had to put these eyes on it because I had to bring it down these steps, and we put a chain on it and put a come along on it and winched it down, so it came down pretty easy. It's a little bit too heavy for 1 or 2 guys to try to do it with a furniture dolly or something like that. I was afraid it was going to get away from us, but this worked out pretty good. Okay, going over the materials I had to use here. This was a 5-inch diameter piece of brass, about 2.5 inches long. This is a piece of 3/8 brass. Inside, I had to use a piece of 3/4 aluminum plate, and a piece of 3/16 aluminum plate over that. I drilled and tapped 4 1024 socket head cap screws to hold the deadbolt in. And here's a piece of 5/8 aluminum plate in here to cover this hole so you don't see it from the outside. These are 3 3/8 by 1.5 inch stainless steel bolts that I used. And that's about it. And also a Medeco key cylinder, a rim cylinder. And that's about all the parts I had to use for this. Okay, I got the safe finished. Turned out pretty good. I'll put a light in it. Put a goldenrod in it. Put electric in it. And I'm very happy with it. It's just going to be overflow for my big safe, and I'd like to put some ammo in it. Okay, I got the safe set in its place. Put a few guns in it. Put some 357s in the top, 38s on the next shelf, some 9mm, 5.56, and some 22s. Worked out very well. I'm very happy with it. I've used that garage deadbolt system on some other safes that I made. Here's one here that has it. And then I have my big gun safe here that I made. It's got 2 Medeco key locks. Keyed the same. And it's got 6 stainless steel deadbolts. I don't know if you can see it very well, it's not very light. But it turned out pretty well. Here's another safe here that I made from scratch. Same type of system. Got the garage door system with 3 stainless steel deadbolts. My wife's using it as a jewelry box. She took it over because I didn't have any guns in it at the time, and I lost it to her, so